So what's up guys? It's Sunday and it's like noon. We just finished celebrating our friend's birthday. So happy birthday Sun Jian. Something to talk about architectural wise is that it's very rare in the city town area, right? You have shop lots like this, see? And this shop lot, this cafe itself, they turn it into a very architectural design kind of space for people to actually enjoy their weekends. And if you see, there you see, those are the people right there. And among high rises, you can see shop lots like this, which is very rare. Yeah, so something to talk about. Places usually for offices and things like that, but then shop offices is almost too expensive to be for habitual. That's why a lot of people convert it into cafes, into commercial use. I think that's all for today's episode. See you guys tomorrow. Ciao.